In this video, we will be solving motion problems. To solve motion problems, use a table similar to the one I have below to help you solve the problem. So in our example, the question is, Joseph begins walking at a rate of 4 miles per hour. 1/2 hour after he leaves, his wife, Shannon, realizes that he has forgotten his wallet. Shannon gets on her bicycle and begins riding at a rate of 24 miles per hour along the same path that Joseph took. So the first thing we need to figure out is, how long will it take Shannon to catch Joseph? And B, how far from their house will Shannon catch Joseph? So the first thing we need to do is fill in what we know. We know that Joseph is moving at a rate of 4 miles per hour. We also know that Shannon is moving at a rate of 24 miles per hour. Let's let T represent the time of Joseph. And then the next thing we need to do is find the time for Shannon. But first we need to convert the 30 minutes to hours because our both rates are in hours, so we need to convert it. So what we're going to do is 30 divided by 60, which is equal to 0.5 hours. So Shannon's time is going to be represented by T minus 0.5 because she left 0.5 hours after Joseph. The next thing we need to do is fill in the distance, which is going to be our rate times our time. So Joseph's distance is going to be represented by 4t, and Shannon's is going to be represented by 24t minus 12. The next thing we're going to do is set the two distances equal to each other to find t, which is Joseph's time. So what we're going to do is 4t is equal to 24t minus 12. The next thing we're going to do is add 12 to get rid of the negative 12. So we're going to have 4t is plus 12 is equal to 24t. The next thing we're going to do is subtract 4t to get the variable by itself. So minus 4t minus 4t. That's going to equal 12 is going to equal 20t. The next thing we're going to do is divide 20 so we get t by itself. And time is equal to 0.6, which is also represented as Joseph's time. In order to get Shannon's time, we're going to plug t in, which is Joseph's time, 0.6, into her equation for time. So it's going to be 0.6 minus 0.5, which is equal to 0.1, which is the answer for A, how long does it take Shannon to catch up to Joseph? So that is Shannon's time for A. To find the distance, how far they are away from their house, we can use Joseph's rate times his time because they are at the same distance from his house. So the next thing we're going to do is 4 times 0.6 because that was Joseph's time, which equals 2.4, which means they're 2.4 miles from their house. And those are your two answers. A is how long did it take Shannon to catch up to Joseph, which is 0.1 hours. And B, how far away are they from their house? 2.4 miles.